Hello mga ka-MK! Happy Wednesday afternoon to all of you there. I'm with Julian. She's gonna be helping me out with the products for today. Okay, so the products that I used for today is none other than our Timewise Repair Volufirm Foaming Cleanser and our Timewise Microdermabrasion Refine. And of course, for our day cream, Timewise Repair Volufirm Day Cream with SPF 30. And for my satin lips, Shea Sugar Scrub. And for my foundation, of course, our matte 3D foundation with the help of my blending brush.
It's my turn, Mommy.
Okay, your turn.
These ones are for my mommy, and then that she told you the green one is for the lips. If you have a crack in your lips, you can just put it at your lips.
See, perfect. Okay, and of course to complete my satin lip spa is our Shea Butter Balm. And for my eyebrows is our Volumizing Brow Tint. And for my eyelid, our Chromafusion eyeshadow Biscotti.
Yes, it's for the eyes, and then this for the eyes because you do it this every day when you go to work. And this one is the lipstick. The lip balm was gone because my mommy likes this one than the lip balm because it can make your lips very perfect.
Good job. Thank you, Julian. And yeah, our lipstick for today is our semi-matte lipstick, always apricot color. Okay, so yeah, what is special for today is we're going to unbox worth 4,000.
What's that? This one.
Alright, so starting off with our Botanical Effects Cleansing Gel. And of course, our beauty blotters. I have 3 of them.
Hey.
And our cosmetic sponge. And of course, our satin hands pampering set. And we have 2 blush-ons here. Hint of Pink and Shy blush, and also eyeshadow Cinnabar, and brush for the blush on, and of course a sampler of our Volufirm packet. So in this sampler, it already has the cleanser which I'm using, the lifting serum which I was able to use, and the day cream, of course, which I am using as well, and the night cream, and also the eye cream. So thank you so much, guys, especially for my repeat offenders or my repeat customers. And of course, moving forward, so I'm going to be showing to you how to use all of these products, hopefully, and of course the advantages of using these products, and what it will benefit, especially to our skin, especially to our face. And yeah, Julian is going to share to you something.
Then this one is the perfume one. Alcohol for washing the hands and sweet for the face. Wipe like that. You can just wipe your face off its dirty, off your singlet, and wipe it all the time.
No more.
My mommy is wiping this at her face at my school when she's going with me at my school.
All done? Alright, so thank you so much, Julian, for sharing your testimony of using the Mary Kay oil absorbing tissue. So yeah, once again, thank you all so much for watching, and don't forget to like our videos, leave a comment, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my Mamika channel. So yeah, I'm going off to work now. So once again, don't ever forget to praise and worship God every day, every moment of our lives. He's the Alpha and the Omega, especially karong panahon na nga naatay mga forest fires, naatay mga um, kanang mga missile attack, Iran, US. So um, although no matter how hard we pray nga dili unta mahitabo, pero these are the signs of times, brothers and sisters. It's actually an eye-opener for us to really turn into God and increase our faith. Okay, and once again, thank you all for watching, and see you soon for more product testing of Mary Kay. Bye!